How to log in Pinterest in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Pinterest application on your phone. Pinterest is a visual discovery engine for finding ideas, inspiration, and more. Once you're on the welcome screen, tap on the login button at the bottom. This will take you to the login page. Here, select the Continue with Google option to sign in using your Google account. Tap on Continue from the pop-up menu. You will now see a list of your saved Google accounts. Select the account you want to use to log in to Pinterest. Then, tap on Continue to grant access and complete the login process. After a brief loading period, you will be successfully logged in. You can now browse your home feed and explore various pins. Following these steps, you can easily log into Pinterest on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.